Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Tonight in my kitchen, I'm gonna put together a chicken dish that I'm gonna use garlic, soy sauce, and honey for my dressing over this chicken. Grab my honey so I'll be ready. I'm gonna start with 1 clove of garlic, pretty big one, totally up to you. I thought about barbecue chicken, but we had that last week, and I try to do a chicken dish, a pork dish, and a beef dish every week. It's kind of my MO. Mix it up a little bit. Wait a minute. Get all of the skin off. Okay. And I'm gonna mince this kind of small so it'll have room to spread in the sauce and over the chicken. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna put that into my little mixing bowl here. Okay, I'm gonna add about between 1/4 and 1/2 cup of soy sauce. And then I'm gonna add about 1/4 cup of honey. And I'm gonna eyeball this. This honey came off of my parents' farm. That should do it. Okay. Give this a stir. Let me grab my cooking spray. We'll spray my casserole dish before I put my chicken in. Make it a little easier on the cleanup. And I'm gonna bake this uncovered on 375 for about 30 to 35 minutes. These are chicken tenders. You could use any kind of chicken that you like. I just happen to favor the tenders. They seem to get done more evenly because they're smaller. And I'm gonna do creamed potatoes and corn, fresh corn. Well, it's not fresh, it's frozen. It was fresh until I froze it. As my sides to this chicken dish tonight. Slide one more in. Give my hands a wash. I'm going to salt and pepper chicken. Not a lot of salt because the soy sauce will have salt in it. Just a little bit. A little bit of pepper. And then I'm going to give this another stir and pour this over the chicken. And again, I'm gonna bake this uncovered on 375 for about 30 to 35 minutes until the chicken is done all the way through. It smells wonderful. And that is what's for dinner at my house tonight. Give it a try. Let's see, we'll call this soy garlic honey chicken. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon. Bye now.